Why speaking in English is not my cup of tea. I am fed up of watching n number of YouTube videos and practicing different techniques for improving English speaking skills. And even after watching all these videos and practicing different techniques, I have not been able to improve even a little bit and speak English correctly and fluently. I feel really helpless, and I wish if there was someone who could help me in speaking English fluently, correctly, and impressively.
Don't worry, English aspirants. All your wishes are going to come true. Hello everyone, I am Bhavna Devangan, one of the coaches at IDQ Value Adder Academy. IDQ is the institute that has helped thousands of English aspirants just like you to fulfill their English dreams. IDQ is made up of coaches who are once English aspirants just like you. That's why we at IDQ personally understand your problems and have a solution for it. So come join this 5 days workshop at just ₹100 and see for yourself how IDQ can be helpful in realizing your English dreams. Thank you so much everyone. See you at the workshop where your journey begins.